Before reassembling the flower container, make sure that the parts are thoroughly dry. First, assemble the flower dispensing blade by putting the cap on the packer and rotating it till it locks in place. Then, fit this into the upper section of the flower container and turn until it locks in place. This is how you fix the star wheel into the lower container. Ensure that the groove side is facing up, fit it inside and rotate. Now, join the two parts together, align the arrows together and rotate clockwise until they click in place. Replace the container's lid and put it back into its slot.